Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheese milk tea, a delightful and trendy beverage. We'll go through each step, from brewing the perfect tea base to crafting a rich, velvety cheese foam. You'll learn the simple techniques to combine these elements, resulting in a wonderfully balanced drink with distinct layers of flavor and texture. Get ready to impress your friends with this unique and delicious treat. First, let's prepare our tea base. For a robust flavor, steep 2 tea bags or 2 teaspoons of your favorite black or green loose leaf tea in about 250 milliliters of hot water. Let it steep for 5 minutes, then remove the tea. While it's still warm, stir in 2 tablespoons of sugar until fully dissolved. It's crucial to let this tea cool completely before moving on to the next step. Now for the star of the show, the cheese foam. In a bowl, whip 100 milliliters of cold, heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. In a separate bowl, combine 50 grams of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of milk, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and a tiny pinch of salt. Mix until smooth, then gently fold this cream cheese mixture into your whipped cream until just combined, creating a light and airy foam. Finally, let's assemble your delicious cheese milk tea. Grab a tall glass and fill it generously with ice cubes. Carefully pour about 200 milliliters of your cooled tea base over the ice. Now, for the grand finale, gently spoon a generous layer of your creamy cheese foam on top of the tea. For an extra touch, you can garnish with a sprinkle of matcha powder or crushed cookie crumbs. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.